How to remove a red dot in Adobe Acrobat. Let's make it disappear. I am using the free web version. First, open your browser and go to acrobat.adobe.com. Click on All Tools, then select Add Comments. Upload the PDF file where you see the red dot. Look at the left toolbar. This is your comment toolbox. Scroll to the document and click directly on the red dot. If it was drawn using a drawing tool or stamp, it will highlight. Once selected, you will see a small toolbar above or beside it. Click the trash icon or press your delete key to remove it. If nothing happens, it might have been added using pro editing tools, which can't be deleted in the free version. Once done, click Save on the top right if you are using app. If the red dot won't highlight, it's likely not a comment or a drawing, and you will need Adobe Acrobat Pro to fully edit or erase it. And that's how you remove a red dot from your video. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.